Welcome! In this quick vid, we'll demonstrate in 3 simple steps how to import engagement data from working papers to Caseware AnalyticsAI. First, integrate your copy of working papers with Cloud. Go to Options, then select Integrate with Caseware Cloud and enter your firm's cloud site. Click OK and log in using your cloud credentials. You're now integrated with Cloud. Next, install Cloudbridge. This is a utility that enables you to transfer data from working papers to AnalyticsAI. Note that you don't have to install Cloudbridge every time that you want to import data. If you already have it installed, you can skip this step. To download the installation package, go to the data page in your Caseware AnalyticsAI file and select Import from Working Papers. This launches a help page with instructions on how to install Cloudbridge. Open the file to run the installer, and then follow the installation wizard. Now you're ready for the final step. Transfer the engagement data from working papers to Caseware AnalyticsAI. Open the working papers file and click Document. And then Add from Library. Select Cloudbridge to add the Cloudbridge document in the file. Open the Cloudbridge document. Select the applicable entity in Cloud and the engagement. Select Yes to exporting trial balance data. In this example, we'll export the current year and the prior year. The remap file is used to transfer the current accounting mapping structure and working papers to AnalyticsAI. Caseware provides a default remap file that's available in your Program Files folder once you install Cloudbridge. Browse to add the remap file. If you're using a custom mapping structure specific to your firm, you'll need to create your own remap file, then add it yourself. Once you're done, select Export Data. When the transfer is complete, the engagement file opens showing the data page with the current and prior year data. Watch our next video to learn how to import data from a CSV or Excel file. Thanks for watching.